A lot of times we'll talk about wigs that are great for beginners because a lot of people are just getting into them and you want to feel confident your first time because first impressions matter. And that is why I want to specifically talk about this new line of wigs so that a brand new wig wearer does not get into one of these and feel intimidated or feel like wigs are not for them. Envy recently launched their number ones collection, which is a revamped version of many of their number one styles. These wigs have every luxury feature in the book. They have a double lined cap, 100% hand tied cap. They've got ear to ear Swiss lace. You want to talk about a comfortable wig. It's the number ones collection. Now, you might be thinking, well, then that sounds like a great thing. And it is, but this Swiss lace that you see here is so soft. It requires a little bit of work to really get it to lie down, seamlessly melt into the skin, and it is not the kind of lace that you might traditionally find on a lace front that's a little bit firmer and kind of just sticks to your head based off the shape of it and the texture. This really feels like a very thin cloth, which makes it very gentle on the skin. If you're somebody who is familiar with lace fronts, you might know about that lace front itch that you get sometimes. You're not gonna get that with this. However, due to the nature of the lace and the texture, it requires a little bit of work. And when it comes to getting a new wig wearer into a wig, I don't want there to be a whole lot of work. I want you to get into it, grow your confidence with it, and realize just how easy wigs are. See just how translucent that is, how gently the hair is plucked right into that cap. And then you've got that Swiss lace even here at the top. This is the double lined portion. And then you've got it full ear to ear on that lace with this polyurethane that's going to just hug your skin and make sure that it doesn't slide. This is color Sparkling Champagne, by the way. A moment for those curls before we throw her on. I'm gonna have to bring you up a little bit closer so we can talk about what I wanna show you. Due to how soft that lace is, which again, reminder, goes ear to ear, it just pulls right away. You touch this and it just lays right back. You see how that's pulling right there? And that's just with me kind of casually pulling this away from my face, which you do whenever you wear a wig because you would do that with your hair, right? See that? See how it's buckling? It's not an issue. It's not that the wig is bad by any means. It's not a problem. It's not a defect. This is just the kind of wig where you really want to utilize a wig adhesive. It would be placed right along where that lace wears. You would bring it forward, lay it down, and then just hold it just a minute until it sticks. And this wig ain't going anywhere for the whole day. But that would eliminate this. Now, I just wanted to bring attention to that because as a new wig wearer, this would turn me off immediately. I would be like, I didn't know wigs did that. Many of them do not, but because of the comfort of that Swiss lace, it's kind of a give and take. It's gonna wear great all day, but you're gonna have to work for it a little bit on the front end. Now, I will say this is my second style I have from the number ones collection. I also have Briana hand tied, which I have been wearing that one so much, it's so beautiful. And Briana doesn't pull away quite like this one does. So it might vary style to style. It changes, right? Your head shape matters wig to wig. This one might not do this on you, and then Briana might do it, or one of the other ones, but just be aware that that Swiss lace is so soft, it's going to pull away a little bit. And even outside of the Swiss lace, I would not recommend this for a beginner due to all the luxury features. Now, you might be thinking, what's a great idea to put a beginner in top of the line everything? They're gonna love it. It's gonna be comfortable. They're going to just feel like they're wearing nothing all day, and that's ideal. But I don't think so because you do pay a very high price for those luxury features, and 90% of the wigs I wear every day are basic wefted backs, usually not ear to ear lace. There's just such a variety. I think that you really need to get into a wig that is easy, it's affordable, it's gonna grow your confidence with wearing wigs, and then start to try other things. Maybe you try an extended lace, maybe you try a hand-tied cap, maybe you try a lace front if you've never had that before, and then start piecing together where you want to spend the money in growing those features for the wigs that you wear. Because for me personally, some of the favorite wigs that I have don't even have a lace front. Some of them have bangs and kind of wear forward so you don't see it anyway. And they're really comfortable and they come at a lower price point. So I recommend starting a little bit lower, building your way up to the top. And there's no denying that the Envy number ones collection is definitely at the top. It carries all of those features and is more so ideal and designed for advanced wig wearers or people who are prepared to put that little bit of extra work in the beginning of their day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.